Hi everyone, this is Mr. Deutsch, and I wanted to do a quick video to get you introduced to the class and just to kind of help you understand how to navigate the class. I know for some of you this may be your first online course with Kaiser. You'll have to forgive me. I've been sick the last several days, so my voice is not the greatest right now. But I wanted to kind of help you out in understanding and navigating the course. So when you log in to the course, one of the things you want to look at is the Meet Your Instructor tab. You're first going to see the name of the course and the book. You're going to see my contact information here. It also tells you when the live lectures take place. Which is Thursdays at 9:30 p.m. Eastern Standard Time. When you click here, you'll see a welcome video that you'll actually get to see me in a video talking and just giving you some tips on how to be successful in online courses. I highly encourage you to take about 5 minutes to watch that. When you click here on syllabus, you will be able to download the syllabus. You can actually see the syllabus on the screen. And you can also click this link to download it and print it so that you have it handy. Another thing I want to look at is the Kaiser Live tab. Each week we're going to have that live lecture, which will take place on Thursday nights. And when you click on Kaiser Live, you will see here a link that says Live Lecture 1 or Live Lecture 2, depending on which week it is. So we actually did our first lecture last night because of the holiday, but what you would see is this link right here for week 1 lecture. And you click on that and it's going to take you through the process to log into the lecture system. You're not really logging in, it's just starting the system up for you. Now if this is your first time using it, there may be some software that you have to download in order to get it to work on your computer, but that's usually just a one-time thing. Now let's say you could not attend the live session. So when you click on Kaiser Live and you want to watch the recording, just click the recording button. Now here the link looks very similar, but this is actually the recorded session, so you can watch it later if you want to. And when you click there, it'll take about 30 seconds for the recorded session to launch, and then you'll be able to watch that recorded lecture if you could not attend it in the live session. So then we want to look here at the Start Here button. These are some things that you're going to be doing within the first few days of class. And this is going to be pretty standard in all of your online courses. The first thing is the certification. You're going to click where it says certification. And then you're going to click continue. And really what this is, it's a statement that we want you to read. And then it's basically saying that you're going to abide by the Kaiser University policy, which essentially is saying I'm indicating that I am the person doing the work for this course. So then of course the answer is going to be true, and then you hit save and submit. So just a real simple 30-second task that we ask you to do. If we go back to Start Here, another thing is your pretest. Every Kaiser course is going to have a pretest. It's just a test to see what do you know before we start this course. It does not count towards your grade, but we do require you to do it. It's a 20-question test. Now you'll take the same test at the end of the course, and then it does count as 5% of your grade. We call that the post-test. But right now we just need you to take that. It's not going to hurt your grade in any way. So notice when I click on things in Blackboard, instead of clicking on the icon, I actually click on the words. Clicking on the icon will not take you into the item, but clicking on the words is what takes you into it. So I click on pretest, and then once again I'm going to click pretest again, and then I'll click on the begin button, and then that will take you into the test. Now most of your tests on a weekly basis are going to be set up in this format. What you do want to realize is that most of your tests in your online courses are timed, so you can only enter that test one time and the timer will start. And you may have an hour and a half depending on the course and the test, but you have to complete that test during that time. You're not able to log out and come back into your test later. So definitely keep that in mind when taking a test. One other thing we're going to look at in the Start Here button is the class introduction. This is a classroom discussion. You're going to click on class introduction, and then you're going to basically tell us a little bit about yourself. Every Kaiser course we ask you to introduce yourself to the class. Tell us a little bit about your area of study, maybe where you live, anything else you want to tell about yourself. So you click on introduction, and then you're going to see all of the posts from all of your other classmates in there as well. So those three things are listed under the Start Here button. There's also some other useful information under Start Here, but you want to get those three things done as soon as possible. And then each week you're going to have a link for the current week. So for example, this is week 1. When we go under week 1, we have everything that you need for the first week. So when you click on Welcome to Week 1, you will see, for example, kind of a checklist for the week, everything that you need to do. These links right here are links to the PowerPoint presentations for the 2 chapters that we're covering this week. Usually in the live lecture I will cover one of these PowerPoints or incorporate it into the lecture. This is a good checklist for the information you're going to be covering this week. As far as due dates, for the most part you need to have everything done by Sunday at midnight. That's when all of your work has to be completed each week. So as we go back to the Week 1 tab, you're going to have a folder for your reading assignment. There's another discussion. You want to look very closely at the class discussions and what the guidelines are and the questions that you're going to be answering. For example, in this class you have 2 different questions that you answer. So that's one post. Then you have your second post. And then you need to have 2 more additional posts throughout the week. Those will be replies to classmates. So you want to post on 3 separate days, and you should have a total of 4 posts for the week. And work really hard to make your first post by Wednesday. That's going to be very important as well. So, definitely go through week 1 with a fine-tooth comb. Look at everything that you're going to be doing. You'll have a written assignment, a quiz. There's a section called Ask Questions. This is another discussion. This is the place where you want to post a question that is specific to the course material. So if you don't understand something that you read in the book, or you're not sure about a certain assignment, this is a good place to post that question. If you have questions related to a personal nature, those are the things that you should email me instead of posting here. So I hope that this video helps you to just kind of understand how to navigate the course, how to access the different things that you need, and just kind of understand what the expectations are. Please don't hesitate to contact me if you need any help with anything. You'll also see in my welcome video that I mentioned that a couple of times. Stay in contact with me. Let me know if you have any questions or any concerns. And I'm here to help you in every way possible. And I look forward to working with you. So thank you very much.